like a penguin, you know.
Right. Okay, let's see.
Roll it there. See, this is gonna be his.
Okay.
Go. Roll it.
Roll.
Roll it. Roll it. Then.
Figure she'll be recording.
Yeah.
Figure she'll be recording behind my back.
And this is gonna be his body. See, alternate, just fold alternate. It's like a fan.
Okay.
Then what we gonna do? Forget now. Sure. Gonna roll over like this and put the feather like that. Then just rubber band. And you have a tweet bird already. See?
Oh,
Wow.
very
It's
cool.
easy, huh?
Wow.
Yay.
So that's yours then.
Yeah.
Love it.
Okay. Okay, do the body for you.
I liked how you decorated my parents' room with the towel animals. They're all around their TV.
Yeah. That's why Mr. Helms said, "Don't kill my animal. I just take a picture first." Okay, sir. Yeah, that's right.
Well, we have a zoo in here.
Yeah.
And
Then just put that alternate. Okay, then fold in the middle.
fold in the middle.
Then put in the middle.
Put in the middle. Okay. Put it in my
Then put the wings. Then rubber band it.
and the rubber band. Okay, let's.
So, what time your flight tomorrow morning?
We have 2 more nights in
Oh
Barcelona,
yeah.
so we
I forget.
so-
Two more nights.
yeah, so we're gonna
Just put it there.
just
Yeah,
kind of
so
have a
we're
couple of
coming
days to
over
relax.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be very nice weather.
I hope so, but
Yeah.
I think this month of April and March, the end of the March is gonna be nice weather now in
yeah.
Barcelona because January and February only the bad weather come.
Yeah,
This is
and then the summer hits and it's
Yeah.
gonna be hot.
Yeah, we're not gonna
next
be
cruise will always gonna be full until I think June, July
Yeah,
for the spring breakers. Yeah.
and then
Mostly May will gonna be Chinese.
Ah,
oh
Lovely.
It's good, right?
yeah, very
two
good,
monkeys,
Robert.
2 birds.
Very good, Robert.
Yeah, very good.
All right, thank you, Guillermo.
Thank you. Tomorrow we have one more. Just give a call. I gotta make a snake. It's
Oh.
easy, huh?
Ooh,
If you're doing a breakfast, I'll be here
yes,
tomorrow.
we'll be.
We will be doing it. So, Guillermo, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Good night.
And thank you so much too.
Oh no, you're welcome. You're welcome.
You better not be still